Hello, in front of me I've got Kia Ceed. In this video I'll show you common problems and repair cost. Overall reliability is strong. There are no major safety recalls on Ceed II. Known issues are occasional central locking faults, doors not locking, and flickering DRL headlights units, many fixed under warranty. Some reports of Bluetooth, SAT NAV glitches. Test all infotainment functions and make sure that the system is updated. Diesels, especially 1.6 CRDI, has EGR valve problems, DPF clogging, and injector wear if driven mostly on short trips or with long oil change intervals. Routine repairs are relatively cheap. Diesel, EGR, DPF work can be more costly. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.